We are now in BEPPU Park and look at this beauty. Okay, disregard the trash, but besides the trash, wow, look, the lake is white with cherry blossom petals. It's really amazing. How pretty the entire lake is, full of cherry blossom petals. So it's white, actually pink green, and then we have this lovely tulips here, and everywhere cherry. Like we can be walking on cherries. Wow, this is another really lovely point of view of the cherry blossom, when the ground is rained on with cherries. It's really so peaceful, and except for the repair works that are going on, and good that they are doing this. It means they are taking care of the beautiful park. But it's so lovely. I thought we are over cherry. I thought, okay, finished. But see, we even come here to BEPPU and still full of cherries. We are walking on cherries, and the lake is white with cherry. Even in this angle, it's so pretty with the trees as a background and the tulips. So Japan, I read in the news, they earned $2 billion this year thanks to the cherry blossom and all the tourists coming for that. And we have even bamboo. It's so beautiful. Actually, this is more beautiful than Kyoto Arashiyama, because in Arashiyama there is a huge fence and you cannot get close to the bamboos. But here you can. So, yeah, so if you need a photo shoot with the Japanese bamboo, you have to come to BEPPU and have this entire area. You can just step in and have them to yourself, and nobody's gonna scold you. So, thank you. Wow, and see the lady, the owner of the ryokan where I'm staying at, is explaining us is all these stones here, they came after the volcano had the eruption, and so the people were like, okay, what shall we do? It's so tiresome to throw them away, or to throw them away. So they started building these walls, and that's why, you know, the city has so many such type of walls. They are not glued together. The stones are just put like that on top of each other. But if there's an earthquake, this type of construction is really good. It will not crumble like a real building. Here we have a lovely point of view with somebody's back garden full of flowers and the ocean in the distance. This is Mount Takasaki, and even from here you can see some smoke. Everywhere these walls made of stones are, you know, so popular here. Here, artworks lining up the street. Wow. Just like that. In nowhere. Street art. Isn't this cool? Links that are broken. their works, because the city is probably getting ready to be very successful soon, so they are investing in all this stuff. This World Cup. So this explains all the effort